Hey, what's up guys, this is RVC here and I'm back again with another video. Today we are diving into a comprehensive review of the AGM Note N1. I have been using this device for a while now, and there are some things I absolutely love about it and some things, well, not so much. Let's get started. Before we jump into the pros and the cons, let's take a quick look at the specifications of the AGM Note N1. So here are all the specifications that you will need to understand the phone, and just pause the video if you want to get technical or you want to know the device. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's talk about what I like about the device. First up, the price. This phone is budget friendly, which is a huge plus. For the cost, you get a lot of value. It is currently priced at 18,400 Kenya shillings, which is roughly 140 bucks. The 90Hz refresh rate is another standout feature. It makes scrolling and animations incredibly smooth. Battery life is phenomenal on this device. I can easily get through a full day of heavy use without needing to recharge. The user interface is clean and free of bloatware. It feels close to stock Android, which I really appreciate. Performance-wise, the AGM Note N1 holds up pretty well. It's not a powerhouse, but it handles everyday tasks smoothly. The camera is okay for casual shots. It's not going to blow your mind, but it's decent for the price. With all that being said, now let's talk about a few things I don't like about the AGM Note N1. Since I got this device, there have been no software updates. This is a bit disappointing as updates are crucial for security and new features. The power button doesn't work to lock the device, which is quite frustrating. It worked before, but recently it stopped working. I have to use the on-screen lock function instead, which they don't have, so I have to use a third-party launcher like the Nova launcher. When I power the device down, it often reboots itself. I actually noticed this after the power button stopped working. I'm pretty sure it's something to do with the power button. Lastly, the device has no IP rating, so it's not officially protected against dust or water. This is something to keep in mind if you are in a tough environment. This could be the reason why the power button is not working. So there you have it, my thoughts on the AGM Note N1. It's budget friendly, comes with some great features, but it also has some share of cogs. Would I recommend it? If you are looking for a cost-effective device with good battery and clean UI, it might be worth considering. Just be aware of the issues I've mentioned. I personally would consider other brands like the Xiaomi, Motorola or even Samsung. Thanks for watching, and if you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more reviews and tech content. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about the AGM Note N1 or if there's another device you'd like me to review. See you in the next video. Bye.